Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete download failed or pending updates in your Windows Update on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You just need to open up File Explorer. On left side you just need to select this PC. On right side you just need to double click on the local disk C, Windows icon drive, double click on it, and now double click on the Windows. And now you just need to search for software distribution folder, double click on it, and now you just need to double click on the download folder, and now you just need to click on any file folder over here and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these. And now you just need to right click on it and select delete it guys. And that's how you delete download failed or pending updates in Windows Update guys. Now you should good to go guys. You can check for updates. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.